Away, my people, e don red. E don red for Alanwanya Saba. I know Juju Austin never saw this coming. Judy Austin never thought of this. Because if Judy Austin really get clue of wetin go happen to her, I know say this woman for don go find way where she go turn these people their mind, block their way from coming into this agreement that they had. My people, according to information, when I hear the Edoches family, they don't say, time don't reach for Judy Austin to stand up. Say time don't reach for Juju Ekwensu to move out of the Edoche family. Una see this thing when happen to Yul Edochie, no be only to Yul Edochie it happen to. No be only to Yul Edochie. No be Yul Edochie alone when things no dey waka well for am. No be only Yul Edochie, people no wan help. As a matter of fact, this thing when Judy Austin do to the family of Edochie, it has affected both everybody, both the siblings of Yul Edochie, the cousins, the nephews, the niece, all the extended family members. All the Edochis, they are suffering this, my people. No be small thing, no. And the person when they cheer this very movement right now, when don't talk say Judy Austin, make you start to dey arrange your kaya, time have come. They no one know whether Judy Austin is still breastfeeding baby Thunder Universe. No. They say make Judy Austin shift, make Judy Austin stand up, make Judy Austin leave Yul Edochie alone. Make them know wetin really dey happen for inside the family. Now, Leo Edochie, una remember say that time when Yinka bin come post our Kwame number for IG. Now Leo people call and now Leo pick call. Now Leo talk to May Nations. Now Leo tell May Nations a lot of things. Say how them go support Yinka for all the things when Yinka they do. When they never put off the fire when they on ground. Which fire are they referring to? The fire of Judy Austin being in the family. The fire of Judy Austin causing problem upon problem in the family. So my people, now like this, una no go believe wetin the Edoches all come to terms with. They say the disgrace, the pains, the shame is too much for them to bear. Say if no be say the papa na one person when people don already respect, that is grandpa, na person when people don respect, hold in high esteem. The man now, everybody for the counter join with Yul Edochie. Everybody for the counter join with Yul Edochie. But as grandpa don already build a name for am, before im children come so, come dey rub the name for the potopoto, rub am for mud, carry am chook inside mud, dey comot am, chook am again, dey comot am. Na im make una see say the man still get small respect for where him dey. Only one woman enter house. Only one woman enter family. Area scatter. Dragging of name today, tomorrow, everywhere. The name of Edochie never rests. Only one woman enter family. Na so kata kata start to dey come. Which kind of woman be this? They say, no, Judy Ekwensu, your time don't reach you. That your juju, it don't expire. That your Ekwensu, it don't do. Go try the next house. The one when you don't do for the Edochie, say they don't test and they don't see. Shebi when people they talk say Judy Austin no good, people know they believe am. People know they believe am. Make una come hear now. Leo don't go tell him papa say time don't reach for Judy Austin. When they go do her, pack your load and go like they do Yinka. Yes, and the reason why they leave Judy Austin this long, now because of Judy Austin Otumokpo. Una see how Yinka own take sharp for where Lincoln dey. Yinka never enter Juju level. Yinka never put hand for Juju level. If to say Yinka also put hand for Juju level, Lincoln for no succeed. This one we dey say, Lincoln, you try you be the true son of your father. Lincoln, this is how you're supposed to behave. If you no be like that. If you no be like that, it to say Yinka chook hand for where Judy Austin chook hand. Yinka no get that level to enter Juju because she dey for Bodo America. She no quick come down to Nigeria, make Judy Austin carry her go her babalawo place. But una say Judy Austin na she be the real Otumokpolism. My people, My question be say, who Judy Austin won't go to now? With this kind shame when they come like this, like breeze. With this kind shame when they come like this, like heavy breeze, when carry rain, they follow body. Who Judy Austin won't go meet? For inside this family, when go calm these people down. Because as Leo take tell him papa, he say no woman papa put mouth oh, he only they let them know. They plan when he don't get on ground. Because by the time he go storm Abuja, he go call Arewa youth. Arewa youth know how to do those kind thing now. You know those Hausa boys, just give them instruction. Then go do them. In fact, then go add Jara on top am. And now waiting they won't do to Judy Austin. So then go just go evacuate all Judy Austin things without minding if Judy Austin get children for you, Edoche, or not. Because they have seen enough. They have seen a lot of things ever since this woman stepped into the family. My people, oh, see, that time when they be go marry Judy Austin, we no see say papa of Yul Edochie dey there. We no see say mama of Yul Edochie dey there. We no see say Yul Edochie brother or sister dey there. We no see any of Yul Edochie family member. We no see him uncle. We no see him brothers. We no see anybody. Just say Yul Edochie go hire people for Ogbon man. Hey, according to wetin Mama Rita tell us, say na hire, then go hire people, go marry Juju Ekwensu. Which kind level of desperation when Judy Austin carry so for body? Say you no fit even request for the presence of your father-in-law, and you dey form say you be married woman. This one na big disgrace dey come this Judy Austin level so. Na big disgrace so na im dem don carry to come give Judy Austin. So they no wan let Judy Austin stay for that marriage again. Judy Austin have done them more harm rather than good. Now wetin dem dey talk? They sit down for round meeting like this. Everybody for the Edochie does they bring their own contribution. Say no, this woman, if she continue the way, when she continue like this, say things are going to go really wrong. Things are going to go bad. A lot of things will be damaged. Images will be spoiled the more. And I make the one cut her short now. Make she can't start the pack her kaya they go. Because they have seen that ever since Judy Austin come, the family haven't rested. In fact, now it is going directly to them. Judy Austin and Yul Edochie were even cause this abomination. They know they feel the heat again. No? Now it is going to their cousins, going to their brothers, going to them directly. They allow this thing to linger till this very moment. If to say they stop this thing when it never big, that time when Judy Austin only born one pikin, I believe say e no for 2 days serious, but now Judy Austin don born one, e don born two, e don born three good children. Then Judy Austin don carry. Keep for you, Edochie so just within how many years? Judy Austin born 3 children. Una know say Judy Austin come with a serious mission. Judy Austin won't use this one now say anyhow. As far as children dey involved, they cannot do anything. They fit pack those children from Judy Austin hand if care is not taken. If those children belong to Yul Edochie, then go collect them from Judy Austin. Make she go find her way. Make she enter where she wan enter. Judy Austin enter marriage soon as trouble here, trouble there, trouble here. Everybody now they collect gbas on top wetin. Now you be the first person to marry. No be say you will marry. You still remain side chick, but you never give people peace. People never get joy. People never get peace. Family never experience better rest. Today, what has it done again? Then go on social media, then go see you, they do 1 or 2 different things. Yes, if to say this Judy Austin be May Edochie, when this kind of thing happen to, I believe Judy Austin would have even buy people. No be even person, buy people for this matter. But you see May let everything in the hands of God. She lets go because she knows that her God is bigger than every other thing that she's facing in this life. Charm, now you carry charm, hold man. Instead when you go dey use the charm, they use them small on the man. You use the charm, say now the charm now they control the man. The man no even know himself. At this point they say never again will Judy Austin stay. Why these family members now they are angry that everything that they are facing right now is caused by Judy Austin. All the entire Edochies don't talk say Judy Austin must go. It is high time for Judy Austin to leave the family of Edochie. Yes, family when nobody can represent you, represent for your marriage. You think say they go support you? You think say dem go fight for you? Who won't fight for you? Who you see for your marriage day? The day where they come give wine, pay money for your head. Who was there? So women, make una dey get respect oh. Make una dey get small respect on top una head. Forget desperada. Forget say people dey laugh you say you never marry, you don marry, all those things. My sister, if you want to do something, try get small respect on top your head. So that when something will happen, it go be say one person for that family, dey when they support you. One person for that family, dey when they defend you. No be say all the family members go dey against you and you think say all of them now go come say nobody support you for the family and you think say you dey safe. You are not safe. As Judy Austin is right now. Omo, when Judy Austin go dey start to cry, na to cry go umoji. Because nobody for the family of Edochie stand by her side. Nobody welcome her. Nobody tell her say, you are welcome. Who will she run to? Will Judy Austin run to Yinka, Chi Jenny, Uncle Baba, DPA, or who? We dey here to see you, my people, our own. When we hear, we dey carry come tell una as it take dey happen. But true, this family are not happy with the presence of Judy Austin in their midst. At all, they are not happy. And they are set to take a very drastic actions. Una, thank you. We go see again another story. God bless you. God bless you. Don't forget